Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this glitter ombre variation with a cutout. So on this nail, I've already prepped, dehydrated and sculpted like a tip. Now I'm going to go in with Warm Beige. Take it as close to the cuticle as you can get it. Trying to keep that as a straight. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to go in with a file later and straighten them lines up. I'll put a little bit more in that middle bit. Using the edge of the brush to straighten up that line and using the middle of the brush to push it up. And you're going to wait for that to set. You'll know when it's set because if you tap it, it's a dull noise. When it starts setting, it'll sound a bit more like that. Now it's done. I'm just going to take my file and just run it up and down the side of the acrylic that you've just applied. This is why it needed to be set, otherwise you're just going to file it off. And do the other side. Free edge, just going to go over it slightly to make it all the same level so it's not bumpy, because I applied it in 3 different beads. Straighten them up. Gel residue wipe off solution. Wipe over that nail, get all that dust off. I'm going to use pure black acrylic powder and gem explosion. Pick up a tiny bit of black and just a nice thin layer. Push it up against that wall that you've created of acrylic and just push it down the nail. Repeat on the other side. Push it up and push it down. And then clean that brush off and pick up the gem explosion. And pop that by this cuticle area and drag it into the black. And repeat on the other side. Push up towards the cuticle, drag down into the black. I'm going to go into crystal clear and encapsulate over the design. So start by the cuticle area and then pat it down the nail. Get rid of the stray bit of glitter that gets in every design. We're using clear to strengthen that nail and keep the glitter inside. So I encapsulated it. It's now set. Go and file sides, free edge, around the cuticle. Using some pure acetone on a lint-free wipe. Wipe over that nail. So that'll remove any score marks that the file has left. And now to finish off, I'm going to use the Urban Graffiti top coat, cover that entire nail. And pop that in for a minute, please. Pop some cuticle oil on, rehydrate the nail. And there we go, a glittery to ombre black with a solid line down the middle. And you can do that with any colour. Or you could do the glitter down the middle and have solid colour on the outside. You could do one ombre to and the other ombre the other way. You could do glitter to black. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. All the products are listed below. I'll see you next time. Bye.